Welcome to the Clean Catalog channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through exactly how to edit text pages on your institution's online catalog system. We are on the homepage of Villanova's course catalog. Keep in mind that each institution's catalog will look slightly different since Clean Catalog works with you to fully customize the design of your catalog. To edit a text page, first click on the page you would like to edit. On the page, you'll see a menu bar at the top. Click on Edit. Now you'll be able to edit the text page very similarly to how you'd edit a Microsoft Word document. Once you've made your changes, scroll to the bottom of the page. Make sure that Publish is selected and click Save. Your text page will now be updated, and the PDF version of the text page will automatically update as well. That's all for today, but reach out to us if you have any questions about editing text pages or using your new Clean Catalog software. You can also find a link in the description to a step-by-step PDF printout of this tutorial, which you can feel free to send to your faculty and staff.